Alright guys, here we go. We're back. Here is the Google Pixel 4 XL. This is going to be a pure and simple unboxing of this phone. Really excited about this phone. I know there's a lot of negative reviews and videos about this phone, about it not having a wide camera. I mean, it might be a big thing for some people, but Google has done a pretty good job with the Pixel 3. Let's see how this one is. So in this video, we're just going to do a quick unboxing of this. I have some goodies over here, which I'll explain at the end of the video. So let's unbox this. So at the top, it's a plain simple box. This is actually the clearly white version. I call it the panda version. Black and white, looks like a panda, right? Pixel 4 XL, the Google sign. At the top over here, another Google's logo. On the left, Google, okay. On the right, it's gonna be how your phone looks from the right. There's gonna be the power button and the volume rockers. Now at the back, you're getting your Team Pixel hashtag over here. So the way it works is any social media website, you put this on your post using the Pixel 4 or any Pixel phone, and if Google likes it, they'll repost it or even engage with you. What I have found is on Twitter, they're actually pretty aggressive with the whole Pixel campaign. They're actually interacting with a lot of people on Twitter. I mean, you don't have to be a big creator as long as it's a Team Pixel phone. They will definitely interact with you, like your photo, and even, repost it. So at the bottom is the information. Google Pixel 4 XL. It's a 6.3 inch screen, pretty big screen, 64 gigs of storage, and just some other stuff over here, just some legal stuff. So let's take this out. You don't really need an X-Acto knife for this. You have these two slots, so we're gonna rip it open like this. And here is the phone itself, Google Pixel 4 XL. Let's take it out. Pretty good packaging. Inside, it's a cardboard design, easy to recycle. And let's see what else is in this box over here. So these are going to be your usual contents, your SIM ejector, your user guide, and some warranty information. What we have here is a USB-C to a USB-C charging cable. I like where they've gone with this. It's the end of 2019, beginning of 2020 almost. So I'm glad that there's companies like Google that are going full USB-C. Even the iPhone hasn't done that. Even the OnePlus hasn't done that. Even Samsung hasn't done that. So big plus on them. What you get with this one is the capability to transfer your data from another phone as long as it has a USB Type A connection. So you pop this into your Google Pixel and then you take it off to the other end, okay? And at the bottom, it's gonna be a very simple fast charging cable. Yeah, very similar to the last version of it. It's a 5-watt charging brick over here, so it does fast charge. So let's get rid of all this stuff in 3, 2, 1. We're back. So here is the Google Pixel 4 XL. Let's take this out. There's this little arrow right here. All you got to do is move it on the right side like that, and then here comes the phone. Okay, this is something interesting that they've done. I'm actually gonna leave this protector on because they kind of want you to take this protector off. So here is a little trick to getting a free screen protector until you find a better one. And if you know of a good screen protector, leave it in the comment section down below. There it is. A free screen protector from Google until you get a real one. I'm surprised that they haven't included one, but let's take a look at the phone. There are two cameras here. One is a 16 megapixel camera, and then the second one is a 12.2 megapixel camera. Now at the front, this is where things have changed a little bit with the Google Pixel 4 XL. You're getting your front-facing camera, but also kind of like a similar route where on the iPhone you have kind of like the Face ID up here. What they have is radar installed here, and the way it works is it's just for gestures right now. You can change tracks by going like this, moving it back, moving it right, and then you can scroll through pages like that. But let's see how it's gonna turn out in the near future. It's a very, very new, it's not a new technology, but it's newly implemented on the Pixel. So I know it was on the LG phones as well. So let me know what your thoughts are about having like this little radar here and using, gesture controls to swipe through songs or change other things. At the bottom, what you're getting is a very simple and sleek looking 2 speakers and then your USB-C. On the left, what you're getting is your simple SIM card slot. At the top, it's really nothing. And on the right side, like I mentioned, this is kind of like where they're trying to go with all your buttons, so it's all in one place. So this orange button over here is going to be to turn on and off your phone, as well as on the right side over here, these are your volume rocker keys. So let's turn the phone on. And here it is. Just going to start up. So while it starts up, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the bell icon because I got some more videos coming up for this one. I'm going to be doing a lot of testing on this, as well as time to flip this over. This is going to be a different video that I'm going to do. So these are the fabric cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. So it says hi there. Let's get started. I don't have a SIM card, so we'll cut through all of this. So overall, I'm really liking the way this phone feels. It feels pretty sleek, even though it's a 6.3-inch display, which is pretty big for your regular phones. And I like this whole display of the phone. I kind of prefer this to having a little notch up there, better than the, better than the S10 Plus. I didn't like that cutout at the bottom. OnePlus 7T having a little droplet over there. It's decent. It's not the best, but even the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I was expecting a smaller notch, but even that, like, they're still housing that big design up there. So I'm not going to copy my data, so it's just going to check for if there's any new updates. Let me know what your thoughts are about this phone so far. So here we go. I've added my account to this phone. Let me know what your thoughts are on this phone so far. Do you think Google messed up by not having that wide camera at the back, or are you still interested in this phone? Okay, so it's going to ask me to do my setup for my face unlock. Let's do this. Setting up. And so it's a very similar process to what the iPhone does, where like you move your head around. Very similar process. There's 3 ways to access Google Now on the Pixel 4 XL. The first way is there's going to be a navigation bar. Click that. Second way is you just say, hey Google. And the third way is by squeezing the side of the phone. So you just squeeze, and that's it. Squeeze, that's it. And then your quick gestures is what I was talking about. So there's a radar called Soli Technology is what they are using the name for. And it's going to allow you to swipe through songs. So right away, another thing that I have noticed is that this phone feels a lot lighter than the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and even the OnePlus 7T. I think it has to do with the battery. The battery is much smaller than the 7 Pro for sure. Even the 7T, it's coming in at 3700 milliamp hour battery. I don't know how it's gonna hold up to an everyday use. I just did a daily test for my OnePlus 7 Pro. I did a full charge, and my OnePlus 7 Pro got me through the entire day, where I was browsing the web, on social media, answering emails, and even playing games like Call of Duty. And I was really shocked that at 6 or 7 p.m. I still had about 20% left for my battery. So let's see how this one's gonna turn out. Continue to the screen, and they have a very similar feature and gesture to what the iPhone had, where you swipe up and hold, and then you can just switch the apps. Okay, I think we're all set. Swipe up to get started. Welcome to the new Pixel. Here is the Pixel 4 XL. Just a quick unboxing of the clearly white edition. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this device and what other videos you want me to make about this device right here. As always, thank you for watching. Once again, I really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon down at the bottom over here. And there's more videos coming on the Pixel 4 XL. Cases video coming after this one. And I'm going to be doing a review, of course, and some real life testing. So thank you for watching. There's more content coming on this phone and other stuff. So make sure you subscribe, and see you later.